evening, and it's Monday night again, the 2nd of December, 23 days to Christmas Day. And Ben Tennyson, who's still on the show with us this evening, Ben and I are going to give you a little bit of the Christmas spirit tonight.
Natuurlijk, Penny. En baie welkom bij nog een heerlijke telemuziekprogram vanavond. Ons gaan weer lekker luisteren naar prachtige muziek. En vanavond heeft ons Kitaro.
We have Snake Shed, who we're going to be having a little chat to after a few videos.
The Untouchables.
A video that I think all of you are going to love. A song by Dionne Warwick and a few of her friends. And you're going to have to wait to find out who her friends are.
Maar nou ja, Kitaro is in een stad in Japan geboren met die naam van Toyohashi. En toe hy klaar sy matriek geskryf het, besluit hy toe om sy eie popgroep te stig. En hy doen dit toe ook. En toe hy dit klaar gedoen het, toe kon ou sommer sien, kyk, hierdie man ken sy musiek, want hy kon alles omtrent in die orkes speel. En so 'n hele paar jaar gelede het die Ventures 'n nommertjie geskryf met die naam van Caravan. Nou ja, hier is Kitaro weer en hulle pragtige weergawe van die liewe Caravan.
Hi there, yes, once again it's that late hour on a Monday night, and to those of you who have stuck with TV4 thus far, welcome to Telemusic. Tonight we're going to be featuring such artists as Van Halen, Jonathan Butler, Chris de Burgh and Madonna, amongst others, so stay tuned.
En ons val weg met Joe Cocker, die sanger met sy unieke rendities van nommers deur Bob Dylan, John McCartney nie, John Lennon en Paul McCartney.
Right.
Remember Woodstock?
I don't remember Woodstock.
Is hy nog nie oud genoeg nie?
No, we've used that joke before. Yes, I'm old enough to remember Woodstock, and I think Joe Cocker was the best thing on Woodstock.
Dis waar, absoluut.
Right.
Kom ons kyk na Joe Cocker en Don't You Love Me Anymore.
He's looking a lot younger and a lot more healthy than he did in the days of Woodstock, which was 1969.
Absolutely. Yeah.
He's looking good and singing well as well. Right now it's our local slot, and we're going to feature a guy who writes all his own material, local artist Cupido. He has a new number out called Far Away. Let's have a look at it.
Ons volgende groep is Van Halen. Wel, wat kan 'n mens sê oor 'n groep wat al so bekend is? 5155 wat?
5150.
Oh ja, ek kon nog nooit behoorlik tel nie. 5150 is die titel van hulle nuwe langspeelplaat. En dit is ook die eerste vrystelling na afwesigheid van 2 jaar. Kom ons kyk na Van Halen met Why Can't This Be Love?
Why Can't This Be Love, indeed. Some power rock and roll from Van Halen with their new lead vocalist, Sammy Hagar, who was formerly a solo artist. He made solo records of his own, and now it's interesting that Van Halen's former lead singer, David Lee Roth, has left to make solo albums, so I'm sure they're all going to do well. Next up, we have Jonathan Butler, an extra local slot, although Jonathan these days is not so much a local artist. He's recording overseas and having a lot of success overseas. He has a new single out from his current album, which is called Introducing Jonathan Butler. The single is called Baby, Please Don't Take It. Something else worth mentioning is that Jonathan recently sent one of his songs to Al Jarreau. The song is called Give a Little Lovin'. And Al Jarreau liked the song. He's going to record it, and he's also going to call his new album Give a Little More Lovin'. So that's a feather in Jonathan's cap. Let's have a look at his new video.
Volgende weer is Chris de Burgh. En hy het sopas 'n nuwe langspeelplaat vrygestel. Die naam van die langspeelplaat is Into the Light. Kom ons kyk na 'n snit van die album, Fire on the Water.
Right now it's Madonna. Madonna has a new image, as you will notice from this video. She's looking a lot more like Marilyn Monroe these days. And it's a song from a new movie called At Close Range, which features Christopher Walken and Madonna's husband, Sean Penn. Apparently a very, very good movie. So here's Madonna with a number called Live to Tell.
And we're going to have to move away.
You are indeed, yes.
Ja, want dis nou weer tyd om goeienaand te sê. En moenie vergeet om die versoeke na ons te stuur nie. Ons adres is, soos altyd, Telemusiek, posbus 2491, Johannesburg 2000.
And that's it. Bye for now.
Goeienaand.